In medical manufacturing, every detail matters. That's why Caplugs provides a full range of solutions, from protective parts and packaging to functional medical components, all designed to support safety and reliability. Caplugs medical connectors include pinch clamps, slide clamps, and Y connectors for a variety of applications. Offered in multiple sizes, durable materials, and color-coded options for easy identification, these connectors deliver consistent, reliable performance in critical applications. From catalog parts to fully custom solutions, Caplugs delivers protective and functional parts for medical devices and equipment. Explore solutions for your protective and functional medical needs at caplugs.com/medical.